Drowning in scattered files across departments, AI File Pro organizes them instantly. Buried in hundreds of generically named files, finding the right document takes forever. Your team wastes valuable time searching through poorly organized folders. Watch AI File Pro automatically organize 50 files into SharePoint with intelligent folder structures and metadata. Case numbers, document types, and dates populate instantly, giving your team 99.9% search accuracy and 70% faster retrieval. Watch AI File Pro automatically organize your SharePoint files with intelligent metadata, client name, status, confidentiality level, enabling faster search and cleaner audits across your entire document library. Request access to specific jobs with role-based approval. AI File Pro's seamless authorization workflow keeps your team's files secure and organized. See how AI File Pro transforms chaotic folders into organized, searchable files instantly.